Hello, my name is Nailah Syakirah from 11 Social 2 as a prisoner.
My name is Angeline Kawani from 11 Social 2 as a presenter.
My name is Inez Natasya from 11 Social 2. I am a text maker.
I'm Shafira and Abdilah from 11 Social 2 as the text maker.
I'm Talitha Adelia from 11 Social 2 as the video editor.
Last but not least, I'm Zidan Ibnu Hidayat from 11 Social 2 as the editor.
Hi everyone, I'm Karine and this is my partner Nailah.
Hello everyone, I'm Nailah. So, what are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna show all of you how to change your USB connection sound.
Wow, that's so cool, but is it difficult to do?
Not really. The steps are easy to follow and that is why we made this video. We want to show the easy step to change your USB connection sound. I'm sure you guys can follow along with the steps in this video since it's easy.
Wow, then it's perfect for me. I'm also bored with how my USB connection sounds. I want to have a cute and aesthetic USB connection sound too.
Well, it's so interesting, right? So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first, find the sound you want to use. You can search it up on YouTube or any other platform of your choice. Then, copy the link. Next, convert the YouTube video to MP3 format. Look for an online format converter, YouTube to MP3 on your search engine. Then, open one of the websites of your choice and enter the YouTube link you copied earlier. Download the video, it should be an MP3 file by now, and name it.
Reopen your search engine and look for an MP3 to WAV or WAV online converter site. Select your desired website, then upload the MP3 file that you have downloaded previously, convert it and download it. Once it has been downloaded, open the control panel on your laptop. Then, click the Sound tab. Later on, you will find several options such as playback, recordings, sounds, and communication. Click the Sounds one and select Device Connect in the Events program. After that, click Browse and you should search for the previously downloaded sound. Finally, click OK and your USB audio should already change.